As the very first person to benefit from this program, I want to share a bit of my journey. Years ago, when I followed God's guidance to create this program, I had no idea how much I would need it personally. I originally thought this course was just to help others, but God had another plan. In 2020, my only remaining family member, my brother, was taken from me in a hit-and-run accident. The authorities don't believe that his killer will ever be found. I have to live with that. But that was only one of several devastating losses I faced within a 5-year period. Grief and loss are unavoidable. Every one of us will experience them sooner or later. The question is, will you be ready? I'm Dr. Leelo Bush, creator of this course and a Master Christian Life Coach trainer since 2003. Truthfully, I wasn't interested in teaching this topic, but God wouldn't let me walk away. And now, looking back, I thank Him for it because it saved me. This course gave me the tools to stay mentally strong and resilient, no matter what life brought my way. Since then, it has helped thousands of my students turn their pain into purpose and even joy. When you take this course, 2 things will happen. First, you will gain renewed peace, resilience, and the ability to overcome grief. And second, you will be able to help others do the same. Are you ready to transform lives, including your own? Then come join us and become a dually certified Christian grief coach and certified joy restoration coach, licensed to offer my 7 Steps to Happiness by Choice signature method. I am excited to see how God will use you to change lives.